You just go in the hole. He knows, doesn't it? The cricket knows. Right, let's sort this. There we go. Look at that. I don't know why it's called a steely blue-legged tarantula, because it's not blue. It's like black or a bit brown. But I heard the males are more blue coloured. The females browny black, like this one. And they get pretty big. They get almost the same size as a tea blondie, which is a Goliath bird eater. And this one's only a semi-adult, sub-adult. Gorgeous. Right, I'll leave it there. It's on for 7 minutes now. I tried my best. One last look. Yeah, I love that. She's nice. Beautiful. Right, thanks for watching.